हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। सो फैंटास्टिक्स, जैसे कि आप लोग अपनी स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं, यू गाइस आर सुपर 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 लाइक स्वीट हार्ट्स लिटरली। और आपने मेरे पिछले वीडियो को, जो कि फैंटास्टिक ट्राइजेट था, मैंने कहा था अगर आप लोग उसको 900 लाइक्स देंगे देन आई विल मेक अ पार्ट 2 and you guys literally killed it. You guys can see how many likes you guys have given. You guys are literally amazing. And yeah, without like breaking that tradition, आज भी हम लोग एक like goal रखने वाले हैं. So the like goal for this video is 1.2k likes. और अगर आपने 1.2k likes complete कर दिए then I will make a part 3 of this video. So yeah, since you guys don't like me talking too much, then I will not talk too much. So I'll try to talk super fast. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Hashtag 50k subscribers. Subscriber goal is still on. So make sure you guys subscribe until my birthday. That is on 23rd April. So make sure we guys can reach 50k, and please follow me on my Instagram, Farhana Nusrat and Fantastic Farhana. So now we are going to like spin our wheel, and हमारे जो डेयर्स है वो यहाँ पे है. तो वहाँ पे जो भी डेयर आएगा मैं वो डेयर इसमें से करने वाली हूँ. And you guys can see here are the dares. Shout out to everyone. And yeah, make sure you guys give me some dares in the description below as well. I need some new good dares. So yeah guys, that's all. And yeah, let's start the video. So, लेट्स सी आज कौन से लकी फैंटास्टिक्स के डेयर्स ट्राई होते हैं. एंड लेट्स स्पिन द व्हील. सो फैंटास्टिक्स, अब हम लोग को सेकेंड डेयर आया है. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द सेकेंड डेयर. So the second dare is make clear slime without clear glue. This is from Rashmi Devi. So thank you for your dare. और yeah, let's make. Now today जो मैं clear slime बनाने वाली हूँ वो मैं clear glue नहीं यूज़ करूँगी, but I will use Fevigum, क्योंकि मैंने आपको already पील ऑफ फेस मास्क और जो भी जितने भी टाइप से हम लोग क्लियर स्लाइम्स बना सकते थे वो सब मैंने दिखा दिया. एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू गाइज हाउ टू मेक अ क्लियर स्लाइम विथ फेविगम द इजीएस्ट वे. और आप लोग उससे एक बहुत ही अच्छी clear fantastics. Now I am going to take this Fevigum because this is a gum. This is not a glue. This is a synthetic gum और ये बहुत cheap होता है. And I'm pretty sure everybody have this in their stationaries. So this doesn't have PVA. I think this is a synthetic gum. So we cannot take this as a clear glue, but this is a gum. So yeah, I'm not making slime from clear glue, just to make sure. And yeah, let's make slime with this. And this is a no borax as well. I am going to show you guys how I am going to activate it in just a second. Now you guys should add water to this, क्योंकि हमारे स्लाइम को हमें जल्दी क्लियर करना है. सो अगर हम लोग इसमें वाटर ऐड करेंगे तो ये काफ़ी जल्दी क्लियर अप हो जाएगी. सो आई एम एडिंग लाइक दिस मच. इट इज़ अ वेरी लिटिल अमाउंट. सो लेट्स ऐड सो दैट मच. एंड नाउ लेट्स मिक्स इट. इसको हमें अच्छे से मिक्स करना है गाइस. वाटर और ग्लू बहुत अच्छे से मिक्स हो जाना चाहिए. So fantastic, as you guys can see everything is pretty much mixed अच्छे से. और अब हम लोग इसमें थोड़ा सा ग्लिटर ऐड करेंगे because like I haven't made a glitter like blue glitter slime from a long time. So yeah, why not today? This is just optional. I really just wanted to make my slime look pretty. So yeah, let's add a little bit of glitter just like this. It looks amazing. Wow. Let's mix the glitter into our slime. This actually looks super nice with this yellow in the background. And now I am going to activate this beautiful slime with my fantastic contact lens solution. Yes, fantastics, you guys can make contact lens solution at home. And if you guys want to know कि मैंने वो अपने घर पे कैसे बनाया, then you guys can click the I button or links in the description, or you guys can just type fantastic contact lens solution and you guys will get the video. So this is how it is looking right now. This looks really nice. So yeah, let's activate. And here is my contact lens solution that I made at home. Let's add a little by little. As you guys can see, it is activating. This slime actually looks pretty nice. Oh my god. This can be a galaxy slime. That's how good it looks in real life. I really don't know how much it looks like a galaxy slime in the camera, but yeah, in real life it does look super amazing. So fantastics, as you guys can see, this is how our clear slime is looking right now. Don't you worry guys, it doesn't look clear right now, but it will get super cleared. I actually added a little bit of foam soap, so it will get scented as well. So make sure you guys have subscribed and your bell notifications are on, because I am going to post a shot of this slime when it will get cleared. So yeah, this looks really amazing. I hope you guys have checked out my recent shot, because that is one of my like old videos, and you guys comments are like, give us the recipe, we really need the recipe. I have already made that recipe, so yeah, I will give that recipe in the description, don't worry you guys. And yeah, this is our clear slime, you guys. I will post it. Like you guys can see, it is super clear, but it will take like 5 to 6 days to clear up. So yeah, that's that. But if I haven't added any foam soap, then it would have been like super clear. If this recipe worked for you guys, then make sure you guys tag me on my Instagram, Farhana Zizat and Fantastic Farhana. So this is how the slime looks. It looks really nice, and I will soon upload a short which features this slime cleared up. So please make sure you guys, your notifications are on and you don't miss any of my shorts or my videos. So yeah, let's see the next dare now. So fantastic. अब हम लोग देखते हैं कि हमारा next dare कौन सा होने वाला है. So yeah, let's spin. So fantastic, जैसे आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि हमारा 6th dare आया है. So let's see 6th dare किसका है. So fantastic, हमारा 6th dare है from Jaswinder Singh, and the dare is, your dare for next video is to mix clear slime in Fevicol and it will become fluffy slime. So okay Jaswinder, let's try this and let's see if it really becomes a fluffy slime or not. So yeah, let's, जैसे कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं हमारा बैकग्राउंड चेंज हुआ है, because we are mixing slimes together. So obviously हम लोग उसको इस मिक्सिंग बोर्ड के ऊपर ही मिक्स करेंगे. So yeah, let's see. So आज हम लोग जो स्लाइम मिक्स करने वाले हैं वो है ये वाली स्लाइम, and here you guys can see this is the slime that you guys have seen, जो मैंने थोड़े दिन पहले शॉर्ट्स में अपलोड की थी. So yeah, this is that slime, और वो slime black नहीं है guys, that is because of the container. So let me show you guys, this is the container and that's why the slime looked, because the slime was like super clear. So उसकी वजह से वो slime का container का color उसमें mix हुआ जैसे दिख रहा था, but the slime is right here but deactivated since मैंने उसको बहुत पहले बनाया था. और अगर आपको पता करना है कि ये स्लाइम कैसे बनाते हैं, देन मेक श्योर यू गाइस चेक आउट दिस वीडियो ऑन द आई बटन, और इसमें मैंने आपको बताया कि हमें ये वाली स्लाइम कैसे बनाना है. सो या लेट्स सी नाउ, और या लेट्स जस्ट रिमूव द स्लाइम. दिस लुक्स जस्ट अमेजिंग. So yeah, let's just take out our clear slime. So here is our clear slime. थोड़े से बबल्स दिख रहे हैं क्योंकि मैंने इसको अभी थोड़ी देर पहले रीएक्टिवेट किया था बिकॉज ये थोड़ी सी डाइल्यूट हो गई थी. बट सो यार लेट्स ऐड लिटिल बिट ऑफ फेविकॉल और देखते हैं कि इससे सही में फ्लफी स्लाइम बनती है या फिर नहीं. लेट्स सी. आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड फेविकॉल इनटू दिस स्लाइम. I know I might be ruining this, but yeah, so for the science of this, let's test it. So I am going to put a little bit of Fevicol at a time, ताकि Fevicol ज़्यादा ना हो जाए. And let's see if this really becomes a fluffy slime or not. Let's mix. I'm not going to activate because अभी मैंने slime को activate किया था. So yeah, if it needs some activation, then I will activate it super surely. Yeah, let's mix. I am really nervous. It does start to get a little bit deactivated. Oh my god. This looks really weird, but yeah, let's mix. Especially because the slime is scented like strawberries. So the slime is melting a little bit because it has scent in it. But yeah. It does seems to be a little bit fluffy. I don't know about the color. The color is a bit weird, but yeah. I am going to add a little bit of Fantastic Lens solution just to make the slime a little bit less sticky. So let's add. So let's add a little bit. It does look a little bit more, you know, fluffier and thicker because हमने इसमें अभी glue डाला है. And this also looks like a glossy slime because you know glossy slime में हम लोग clear glue और white glue दोनों mix करके glossy slime बनाते हैं. So this looks a little bit glossy. You guys can see that gloss, right? This is like super messy, you guys. But this, you guys can see how just extremely messy this is. I will suggest you guys to just add a little bit of shaving foam or any kind of, you know, face wash to your slime and then make it fluffy. क्योंकि ये fluffy दिख तो रही है, but I'm not sure. Let's keep on mixing it. और मैं इसको fast forward करती हूँ अभी के लिए, so you guys can see how many times I am adding more Fevicol into this. So yeah, let's see. That was my day. I hope you all liked this video. I have a lot of fun making this video as well, and I would appreciate if you guys can give this video 1.2k likes. So please make sure you guys get this goal as well. Then a whole new dares template with new dares. So make sure you guys just reach the goal and comment down your dares as well. And also comment down if this slime is really fluffy or not. I am really confused, so just help me out. So yeah guys, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.